Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here. If you are new, welcome to my channel, girl. Click that subscribe button. But today we're just gonna be refreshing these braids because they look a little rough. So instead of me taking them out and redoing them, the whole thing, we're just gonna refresh them. Oh, let me just take them out. They probably don't look that rough on camera, but it's not even really the braids. It's just like my scalp. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so it has been about a week. I'm pretty sure today is the day 7 that I have had these braids in for. If you did miss that video, make sure you go check it out. Natural box braids. The link will be down in the description box. But yeah, so it's been about a week. And the braids are like, they look great to me. They're a little frizzy, but I don't mind that because they're just natural looking. But this scalp right here, honey, it's so flaky, and I just don't understand. I have been oiling my scalp every day, every morning, and every night before I go to bed, and I don't know what's going on. So, and also another thing, as I told y'all in like a couple videos back, your girl been running. So I also think that maybe from like my scalp sweating and stuff like that. So that could be another reason. But today we're just gonna refresh them. So what I'm going to do, so I have a little water bottle here. These you can actually, I actually got these from the Dollar Tree, but you can get, like, they come in like, you can get like 2 of these and 1 of these. It's like a 3-pack for $1. So, but I just have hot water in here, and then this is for the conditioner. And I also picked up today a new shampoo and conditioner because I've noticed ever since I started using that tea tree, maybe that may also be a contributing factor to my flakes. I'm not sure, but we're just gonna switch it up today. So, and these were actually on sale because y'all know OGX be a little expensive. So this is the detoxifying and pomegranate and ginger shampoo and conditioners on sale. It was like a little less than $5 a piece. They're normally like $8 a piece. So yeah, I lucked up on this. But so we're gonna try these out today. It does smell really good. I'm not really sure what a pomegranate smells like, but it does smell fruity. And it does say that it helps to dunk stubborn residue from dry shampoo and buildup. I don't use dry shampoo, but I don't have buildup either because I haven't been putting anything on my edges, but it'll just, you know, clean the scalp really, really good. So this warm water, I'm actually just going to put some shampoo in here and mix it together and then just shake it up. And yeah, so put a generous amount. Oh wow, it comes out clear. Do I see it? Yeah. Put a generous amount. Don't be shy because you want your scalp clean. I barely put a dent in it, barely. Put the lid on it, shake it up. Oh, that's a lot of bubbles. And what I'm going to do here is just section it off. Y'all know I love my velvet scrunchies. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave these braids in for, but it will be for a while. I'm not sure how long a while is, but yeah, we're just gonna, oh, they fell. And then I'm just gonna actually just put some conditioner in here. This will be for later, for like the strands, these parts. Now you don't have to put the conditioner in a separate bottle. I just wanted to. Oh, this comes out purple. Why couldn't I get the conditioner to come out purple? Honestly, have y'all ever seen a purple shampoo? Comment down below. Ooh. Okay. That's probably not gonna be enough, but my hand got tired squeezing. So there's some conditioner in here, and then you got the shampoo and the water in here. So now what I'm gonna do is just go through each row and literally just spray each box and just like massage around it. And I use warm water because warm water does open up like your cuticles to your scalp so you can get all that dirt out. It is pretty soapy, which is good. It looks like it's nothing but water in here, but well, besides the soap suds. But and that's literally all you're gonna do throughout your whole entire head. As I get closer to the front, I'll do a close up for you guys. But yeah, this is literally it. Okay, so now that I'm at the front, kind of show you guys. So literally all you do is spray in between the part and spray directly, ooh, it's dripping, directly on the braid and just massage it in. There's a lot of soap suds, but this is literally all I do. This is it. And just go through each row, spray in between the parts and on the braid. And then at the end, we're gonna get these edges real good because, yeah. Spray it on these edges. This smells so good, but it's weird. It kind of smells like an air freshener. And you just take it and get in them edges really good. It do sud up. It suds up a whole lot. Alright, I think we're all out. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go and rinse it out and I'll be right back. I probably look crazy right now, but I'll look normal in a second. Hold on. Magic. So I rinsed it out. Y'all know me and my cotton t-shirts. But I rinsed out all the shampoo. Ooh. Rinse it out. My scalp feels a whole lot cleaner. Ooh. It looks clean too from a distance. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's like a little piece, but I recommend this shampoo, y'all. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but I recommend it. Shampoo, it did really good compared to other shampoos that I've used. They're still like a little bit, but it looks a whole lot better. Let me continue to try this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just apply the conditioner to the actual braid to get some hydration going, cause them things is dry. Literally just apply the conditioner on there, and then I'm gonna rinse out the conditioner and then apply one more product on my scalp, and that literally wraps up the video. Here we go with these bones, y'all. Y'all know I got bone issues. Ooh. But you don't even need a lot. You don't even need a lot of, this does smell really good, guys. You don't even need a lot of conditioner. I'm done with the little extra that I have. Just make sure that these ends are really good, cause they be the driest parts, y'all. It smells so good. Like, this is what a pomegranate smells like, guys. It smells so good. I'm just sticking it right there. Just do it. Whoa. Look like a knot right there. It's not just a curl. It's just a curl. Stick it out. But the conditioner is now, look at these curls, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So cute. But now I'm just gonna, oh, I'm tired of rinsing stuff out. I only rinse stuff out. Okay, so yeah, just gonna rinse out the conditioner, and this is the last time I'm leaving and coming back, so I'll be right back. Whew. My hands are freezing, guys. Okay, now to add some extra moisture, I'm actually just gonna split it in threes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Curl Activator Cream by Cantu. Oh, I had to tuck in my hood because it was getting wet from the water. Okay, it's choking me. Just get not a whole bunch. This, oh, I keep dropping stuff. With this product, a little does go a long way. Just take it and apply it on the braids. Alright, so I got the product in there. It's all distributed. Let me show y'all this scalp because it look real good. Okay, so that is done. And then we're just gonna apply some oil. Y'all know my tea tree. Now hopefully, like, my scalp is not allergic to tea tree, because I've used tea tree oil before and my scalp has been fine. I don't know. Then I was thinking maybe it's this brand because I've never used this brand before, and I got it from the hair store. So I don't know. We gonna see. That is it, guys. I'll just go ahead and style it real quick for you guys. Something in my mouth. Some hair. So I'm just gonna, oops. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh, this hair in my lip. So I'm just gonna do simple. Simple. Half up, half down. Real quick. And with these braids, I love it because they're so versatile. I love versatile hairstyles that you don't have to really do much to. You can just wake up and go, literally. Just scrunch it. Yeah, this is literally it. Real simple. This is as simple as it gets, yo. Not even gonna worry about doing my edges, cause the natural look is where it's at, especially right now, cause where are we going? Nowhere. So, but this is the final look, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, leave some comments down below and let me know what y'all want to see next, what y'all want to see on my channel, hair related, girl talk, it really don't matter, but just let me know in the box, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. I said in the box, I meant to say let me know in the comments, y'all. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.